Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Lexus ES 350 with a manual key. First, you'll need to access the hidden manual key within your smart key fob. Look for a small release button on the side of the fob and press it to slide out the physical key. Once you have the manual key, insert it into the driver's door lock cylinder. Turn the key to unlock the door and enter your vehicle. Now that you're inside, the next step is to start the engine. Even with a dead fob battery, your Lexus has a clever backup. Place the smart key fob directly against the engine start button. Make sure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, press the engine start button while the fob is in contact. This action should successfully start your Lexus ES 350. You might wonder why you'd need to use this manual method. It's primarily for situations where your smart key fob battery is dead or very low. It also serves as a crucial backup if your vehicle's main battery is experiencing issues. Knowing this process ensures you can always access and start your Lexus ES 350, providing peace of mind in unexpected circumstances. To ensure you're prepared, I recommend practicing this manual start procedure occasionally. It's also a good idea to replace your smart key fob battery every 2 years to prevent unexpected dead battery situations. For any specific model details, always refer to your Lexus owner's manual. Keeping your smart key fob in good condition will help you avoid needing this backup method often.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.